And now let me talk about one more command, or you can say keyword, is the del, the delete. So delete is basically used to delete an item from a particular list based on index. So here suppose I want to delete the 10.1. Okay, this is the interest, okay, that I want to delete, and its index is 101. So how you can use it? You can simply use del, and you can use here uh, in entry re interest, and here I want to delete 1 like this. And when you print it once again, see the output. See, so you can see out here 10.1 has been deleted. You can also delete the item within a range. For example, I want to delete it from 0 to 3. So 0, 1, 2 up to here means 3 is the length. It will be deleted, and when I run it, and you will see the output once again. See, so it is now up to here 0, 1, 2 means up to 12. Up to here it is deleted, okay, up to index 0, 1, 2, because length is 3, and remaining will be the same. Suppose if you want to delete the all list, you can use here a delete statement in this way, like this. So it will delete a complete list, okay, like this. So you can see it's now an empty.